Jamie Warner.
Well, it's been a hot afternoon. Temperatures topping out in the mid-90s. Thankfully, we had some showers and thunderstorms popping up around the Springfield area, and that's sort of knocked back the heat a little bit. Wish the rain was a bit more widespread, but there were some lucky locations that picked up some much-needed rainfall this afternoon, and there's still some to be had out there. We had a severe thunderstorm to our north, this between Stockton and Bolivar. That storm is now sub-severe, still producing some at least light to moderate rainfall, maybe a few occasional lightning strikes, but the threat of severe weather has passed as it looks like the winds have diminished with that storm. You can see how it's remained stationary, and we're likely looking at rainfall totals of around 1 to 2 inches there between Stockton and Bolivar where that storm has been sitting. Here in the Springfield area, again, we had a few showers and thunderstorms, especially right around the airport. That activity has since faded. This outflow boundary, the cooler air generated by those storms, is moving east and has now moved east of the city, knocking back temperatures. Even though we haven't had any rainfall, it has at least knocked back temperatures into the upper 80s. Down to the south, this is where most of the rain has actually been this afternoon. In fact, there have been some pockets of 1 to 3 inch rainfall totals across parts of Carroll County and Boone County and Newton County. There's a flash flood warning in effect for parts of those areas through 6 o'clock this evening. And again, you can see how the rain was localized, but there were some areas that picked up maybe upwards of 3 inches. Pocket here to the southeast of Berryville, another one to the south of Eureka Springs, and more in and around and to the west of Jasper. One other cluster of showers and storms that we're watching right now is in eastern Douglas County and the northern sections of Howell County, north of West Plains. This activity is slowly tracking on off towards the west and may make it into the Ava area over the next hour to hour and a half. We've probably got a window of about 2 to 3 more hours where we could see some widely scattered shower and thunderstorm activity. After that, I do expect things to fade. The reason for today's storms, at least part of the reason, is we've got this upper level storm that's moving in from the southeast, and that's going to actually sweep across the area overnight tonight and be northwest of the area tomorrow. We'll be on the dry side of that system, and it looks like it's going to be a hot and dry holiday for all of the Ozarks. Our hour-by-hour forecast looking like this for tonight. Again, after that shot at a shower storm early this evening, it looks like mostly clear skies, quiet weather, and tomorrow looks like we're going to find mostly sunny skies from start to finish, and I don't think we're going to find any rain out there tomorrow. Temperatures tonight, they'll cool off into the low to mid-70s. Here's a look at your 4th of July forecast from noon throughout the afternoon. And if you're doing any grilling tomorrow, or maybe you're smoking some pork shoulder, getting ready for some pulled pork for the evening hours, it is going to be a hot job as temperatures will be climbing through the 80s and into the 90s during the afternoon. It looks like an afternoon high of about 94 degrees with mostly sunny skies. Again, here's a peek at the highs across the area. Low 90s to the east, mid 90s more common to the west. I think about 94 in Springfield with winds out of the southeast at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. For firework displays Wednesday night, perfect viewing conditions. Skies should be clear. It will be warm with temperatures slowly falling through the 80s. 7 on our color for our 4th of July. Our pattern is still looking hot through Thursday. In fact, I think Thursday is probably going to be our hottest day this week, as that ridge is going to be moving over the area. At that point, it will be west of the area by Friday. That will open the door for a front to slide into the area, giving us our next shot at some showers and thunderstorms. And if we don't get rain on Friday, rain is going to be really tough to come by through the weekend into next week. The good news with that front moving through, too, is it looks like we're going to find slightly cooler temperatures and less humidity by Saturday.
That's what gets you, is that humidity. It just makes it feel so much hotter.
Yeah, and I mean, it's going to be feeling oppressive through Wednesday, through Thursday, into Friday. So, folks, take it easy out there. Here's some Viewers Club news. We got another winner. $100. Melinda Edmonds of Ozark, Missouri. So we've once again reset our jackpot to $100. And tonight's number is, at the bottom of your screen right there, 143210.
Okay, Jamie, thanks.